dive into Passing Simple Parameters to Routines with the subtitle, Enhancing Functionality with Parameter Passing in Sheerpower. This section will examine how passing parameters to routines can significantly enhance the functionality and flexibility of your Sheerpower programs. By mastering this technique, you can create more dynamic and reusable code, streamlining your development process. Let's explore the art of parameter passing in Sheerpower and see how it can elevate your coding capabilities. Sheerpower routines can accept up to 32 parameters in total, divided into two categories: up to 16 parameters passed into the routine and up to 16 parameters returned from the routine. Parameters passed into a routine are passed by value, meaning their values cannot be altered by the routine, except for clusters which are passed by reference. This allows the routine to modify the cluster, such as adding new rows to a cluster array or changing cluster member values. Strings passed into a routine are optimized for performance. Passing the same string multiple times incurs virtually no performance penalty, ensuring efficient handling of string data. New values are assigned to parameters by copying data into them. Returning the same string multiple times is also optimized for performance, resulting in minimal impact. Named parameters enhance code readability, provide order independence, serve as inline documentation, improve maintainability, and reduce errors by minimizing the risk of mixing up parameters. For easier and clearer coding, name your variables the same as the routine's parameters. This allows you to call a routine using just the variable names, in any order, and Sheerpower will automatically match them to the corresponding parameters. This example demonstrates how to use named parameters in Sheerpower routines to calculate tax. By specifying the parameter names, the code becomes more readable and maintainable. Simplified routine parameters allow for more concise and readable code. By taking advantage of optional equals and implied parameters, you can streamline your routine calls. Here's an example of a private routine that calculates tax due. The routine takes an amount and a tax rate as input parameters and returns the tax due. Using named parameters makes the code more intuitive and easier to understand. Understanding how to pass simple parameters to routines in Sheerpower enhances the functionality and flexibility of your programs. By mastering these techniques, you can create more dynamic and reusable code, streamlining your development process and improving code maintainability.